shit.
I'm glad, for the moment, Dad stopped talking about cats, but now Daniel's starting to act a little strange.
I have some of your tacos, 'cause I love tacos, tacos, tacos.
What tacos? We don't even make tacos. You're starting to act strange like my dad. I could care less about where Jonas is right now. He was a little much for me this last time. Please, don't touch me. Jonas is kind of acting like those two gay guys on The Amazing Race, where they're kind of whining and like, no, we're okay with that. I'm like, Jonas, okay, I won't touch the hair. I'm feeling like Mole Madness. Would you like to play Mole Madness? I got a little bit of homework to do, Jonas. I don't feel like playing Mole Madness right now.